Okay, right now he has 6 Mentos in his mouth. This is round 3.
Fine.
I don't know if the pop is gonna last round 3.
8. 9.
I can't
Okay,
believe
now
it.
Alex, stand over there. Now this can get lit. Lights?
What?
I got up in your hair. Your spit went, and then you went spit, and you went under, and
Oh, bang up the muscle. Oh, come on.
All he's doing is putting it in his mouth and spitting it out.
Fine. No, I'm gonna hold it this time.
stop it. You wimp.
Oh.
Andrew, me and you should do this.
I hate this.
Look
More
at
better.
his mouth. This way a second.
Help me down.
I'm just gonna swing it and swing it and swing and swing and swing and swing. And the spit comes in. I called it! You think my food?
Oh.
Okay, I think we're done with this. So long story short, don't do that.
It doesn't work. And it causes a little bit of pain.
Unless you have them in your stomach and then you're like, that might feel a little